Cold weather riding. It says 42 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 10 degrees Fahrenheit above frost. I'm wearing Route 1 waterproof riding jeans. I'm wearing TXC Hero waterproof boots. I'm wearing my Merlin heavy wax cotton jacket. I'm wearing a heavy neck and face shield around to keep the junction between my neck and helmet warm. It's doing a good job. I have a freeze out fleece on. My Icon gloves, which are waterproof. Waterproof equals windproof equals warm. I do not have the seat heater on. I do not have my handlebar heaters on. I have my visor open and my glasses off. At these temperatures, if I have my glasses on, they steam up every time I stop. So I am perfectly comfortable. Cold weather is no obstacle to ride. 2 days ago I was riding and it was fairly close to the freezing point of water. It was like plus 1 or 2 degrees, and that is where I found the limits of my Icon tarmac gloves. They were not really warm enough, even with the handlebar heaters on. The backs of my hands started to get chilly. The rest of me was perfectly fine. Just the back of my hands. I do have a solution for that. I have some thermal freeze out inner gloves that I can add, but I'm not 100% sure where they are at the moment, so I will live without them. But it's 60 mile an hour plus in these temperatures. I am perfectly comfortable. The BMW T1, the BMW R 1250 RT does a pretty good job of keeping the worst of the wind off of me. So that's another plus of the BMW R 1250 RT, is the good wind protection. So I can sit here in a relative bubble of calm air. I do feel the wind in my face, and I do feel the wind on my shoulders, and I do feel the wind on my legs, but it is very minimal. It's not like a howling hurricane passing my body all the time because of all the wind protection this motorcycle offers. So with 2,240 miles on my odometer, I am still enjoying every 100 yards, every moment, every second that I am on this motorcycle. I was renovating our family bathroom, and I got to a point where I could stop, and I had a cup of coffee and decided it's not raining, it's a little chilly, let's go for a ride. At any chance I get to ride this motorcycle, I will, because in my opinion this is the best motorcycle I've ever had. So this is where I'm going to end for today. I'm about to turn left here into West Merlin Street, which brings me to Fort Monroe. I'm going to ride to Fort Monroe, where there is a coffee place called Firehouse Coffee, which is situated in a old firehouse, complete with a fire pole. And I'm going to have a cup of coffee, chill for a few moments, and then ride home again. I would have preferred to do this ride with Biker Girl, but get her ready to come ride is complicated, lengthy. Anyway, so that's it for today. On Thursday, the 22nd of January 2020, 48 degrees Fahrenheit, and entering Fort Monroe. Toodle pip, bye bye. Have a great day until we talk again. And cut.